Hi guys, this video is to give you an insight into the Doi Suthep mountain road. It gives you a chance to look at the bends and the curves and then lets you decide whether you think you're confident enough to handle it on a bike or whether to go up there on a taxi. I made this journey guys in June and the roads are a lot quieter obviously in the low season. The roads can get a lot more manic and a lot busier in the higher season. If you make the journey, there's tons to see. There's the waterfalls, there's various viewpoints, obviously Doi Suthep mountain at the top and one of the hill tribe villages beyond that. Also the Pooping Palace, which is where the royal family spend their winters. We all know that the Thai drivers aren't the best or the most courteous drivers in the world, so just be careful out there guys. I hope this video helps some of you out. Take it easy and be safe.
Bye.